Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Capital Markets Report. Today is Friday, April 4th, 2008. AC Milan soccer star Kaka Kaladze is looking to raise $1.5 billion on the capital markets to invest in his native Georgia, reports Bloomberg News. The Georgian economy has grown an average of 9.3% a year since 2004. Kaladze, with the former Georgian Prime Minister and ex-finance minister, plan to invest in projects ranging from property development to hydropower through their new fund, Kala Capital, Kaladze said in an interview with Bloomberg. Kaladze said, quote, "We're in talks with individual and institutional investors in the UK, the US, and some in Italy who are especially interested in our energy projects. We'll announce their names when talks are complete." Staying with capital markets news, Brazil Telecom Participações plans to increase investments by 57% this year to $1.27 billion as it expands wireless services, reports Bloomberg News. In a regulatory filing, the company said that the number of Brazil Telecom mobile subscribers will climb 30% this year to about 5.6 million from 4.3 million in 2007. Fixed-line customers will remain at about 8 million. In December, Brazil Telecom acquired licenses to provide wireless video and high-speed internet service. And in other capital markets news, Gerdau Ameristeel announced the purchase of Pacific Coast Steel for approximately $152 million, according to Latin Finance. The operation was completed with no advisors and financed with cash on hand, Gerdau Ameristeel CFO Barbara Smith tells Latin Finance. At the same time, Gerdau Ameristeel announced that it will pay approximately $68 million to increase its equity participation in the Pacific Coast Steel joint venture to approximately 84%. And in capital markets news in Asia, China's second largest life insurer, Ping An Insurance, aims to raise its stake in Fortis to 7%. The aim was revealed in Fortis's annual report, reports Reactions magazine. In December last year, Ping An became the first Chinese insurer to receive approval from the Chinese Insurance Regulatory Commission to invest more of its assets in offshore markets. The preceding month, Ping An had acquired a 4.2% stake in Fortis through a subsidiary, Ping An Life, a stake later increased to 4.99%. Links between the companies deepened in March this year when the Chinese insurer entered into an agreement with the Belgian insurance and financial services group to acquire a 50% equity stake in Fortis Investments, the global asset management arm of Fortis. And that rounds out today's Capital Markets Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click on our Capital Markets channel online and read the latest developments.